Well, once again, my name is Brandon Johnson. I'm the owner of a local roofing company, Southern Star Roofing. We specialize in residential roofing, replacement windows, siding, and gutter systems. We also do your gutter protection, your toppers. And I just want to thank everyone for being here today. As I said this morning, it's insurance professionals like yourselves that really support and help small businesses like ours strive. So, there's actually a handful of you guys here in the room here that have been sending me business and referrals for leads, and for that I am greatly appreciative. I think many of you probably get an email every Monday morning from me also, so hope you guys enjoy those. I'm just here to mention to you that this is my company, and I treat it very professionally and very important. This is my purpose, this is my passion. I'm not going anywhere. The biggest thing about roofing companies in Charlotte is a lot of roofing companies haven't been very good to insurance companies. You've got a lot of storm chasers, you've got a lot of door knockers that'll simply go around and tell your client to file a claim without really addressing or inspecting the actual situation. And so the service that we like to offer you and to create a win-win is we go out based on your referral. You would call our office. If you have a client that calls your office and said, I had some guy knocking on my door, or the next door neighbor is getting a new roof, or my roof is leaking. And so it's me, and I've got 3 other project managers. We go out free of charge every single time, free of charge for you guys, and we assess the situation. And we educate your client on whether or not this really is claim worthy. We ask them what the deductible is. If it's a $1,000 deductible and it's a $400 roof boot, we say, you don't want to file the claim. We educate them on the dangers of filing a flagrant claim. And then we would just give them, obviously, a repair quote based on a workmanship or the age of the roof. So Stephen Covey taught me years ago to create a win-win situation. And so that's kind of my MO with the insurance companies. And we work with investors and realtors also. We want you guys to eventually trust Southern Star Roofing to go out and to represent your referral with courtesy and professionalism and promptness and honesty. And therefore, it'll reduce the number of claims that are turned in, and then your client can give you a call back and thank you for the referral. So again, thanks for all your support. If I can also ever do anything for your office, or if you guys ever want to do a lunch and learn where our staff comes through, brings you some Chick-fil-A, and kind of educate you more on our side of the industry, we'll be happy to do that. My name is Brandon Johnson. I'm with Southern Star Roofing. Thank you for all your support. Thank you.